going on, everyone? It's Mark with the World's Okayest Farmer YouTube channel, and I'm over here at Scott's grain bin site. He has Irish Town Acres YouTube channel that I edit the videos for. Sorry if it's windy and you can hear that noise. You can see by the flag that it's pretty windy out here. But what I want to talk about today is selling corn and how I did it. And I think, well, if you have the option, it's probably the best way to do it. This morning, they trucked out a little over 1,000 bushels of my corn and sold it to a local ethanol plant. And I mean, it's really nice knowing Scott and him helping me with my process, because I can't harvest and all that. I could haul some of it, but in small quantities. I don't have a tractor trailer, just the smaller dump trucks and stuff. But it's all in what you can do. Different operations, you know, some people have to sell it right out of the field. I would have to if I didn't have a friend like Scott. So anyways, he ended up harvesting my corn in the previous video, trucking it here, drying it, and storing it. And so yeah, they trucked out a load this morning, trucking out another load tomorrow morning. I didn't get video of that loading process because the guy loads at like 3 in the morning, so he can be there when they open at 5. But the nice thing is, grain prices are really high right now, about double what they've been in the past couple years. So yeah, grain prices are through the roof right now, so we're selling. I initially thought that I was just selling the corn to Scott, but what he actually did was just charge me for harvesting and drying. He let me store it in his bins, and I'm thankful for that. So yeah, we trucked out a load, trucking out another load. Right now, he's gonna be loading some of his dump trucks just to feed the cows. So we'll get some video of that here whenever he gets here with the truck. But really nice grain, Brock grain bins. Real nice setup. It's only a couple years old. The test weight was 57 pounds, so good test weight. I had 0 dockage at the ethanol plant, so that's the way to do it. I mean, I've sold corn in the past to another location. So selling grain in the past through a co-op, they're basically doing this on a larger scale, drying it down, taking more money from you, and then selling it to the ethanol plant or wherever the end game is for more money. So we're taking it straight to the source and getting more money on the back end. So if you can, and you have the options, or you have, like me, know somebody that you can kind of sell your grain through with them helping you, and it's kind of the best way to do it, I think. It's different for everybody and what your capabilities are. The wind kind of died down now, so I'm going to say again I sold 2 truckloads of corn, and not this truck's going for feed, but tractor trailer loads. Corn is at an all-time high right now. It was right around $6 a bushel. I think today it was 580 some at the ethanol plant, so great prices this year, and it was a good growing year, so all around good. My corn, because I no-tilled into bad conditions, I only got average a rate below 100 bushels to the acre. I can do way better with tillage next year, but these guys did really good. They had a lot of ground that was getting 250 bushels to the acre, but a good growing season overall, and prices are great. So I'm selling directly to the ethanol plant through Scott's operation. He dried my corn, harvested my corn, and stored it. So I really thank him for that, and it really helps me get more money for my corn than selling it to a co-op right out of the field and paying them to dry it, getting docked for moisture and everything. There was 0 dockage on my corn. It was upper 12% moisture, and test weight was 57 pounds, so excellent. Couldn't do any better, really. If you want to see more videos like this, go over to Irishtown Acres YouTube channel, and you'll see a lot more of Scott's operation. They have a lot of cows and a lot of acres they farm, so it's a really big operation here in Pennsylvania. Go check out this channel.